TechnoIllustrator. Adding text background. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Microsoft Paint. Click on Start and type Paint in the search bar. Then, click on Paint. You may also just go to Start, All Programs, Paint. Step 2. Open callingcard.png. Click on File. Open. Select File to be opened. Open. Or press Alt-F. Press O. Select File to be opened, click Open. Step 3. Select Text tool. Click on your drawing area to start typing. Type your name. Change to opaque mode. The default text format is in transparent mode. To change it to opaque, click on the opaque option located beside color 1. Adjust the text and modify the settings to fit the card. Once you're done, click anywhere outside the text box. Add your contact details. Use the text tool again to add your contact details. This time, make the background transparent to make it look better. Also, make the font size smaller. Make it size 28 points. To do this, select the whole text and change the font size. Now, adjust your contact details to the center. Step 4. Save your work. Save your work by clicking on File in the upper left corner of your screen, beside the Home tab. Select Save As. Name your work as callmecard.png. Click on Save button.